So what's up, guys? Got an email from one of my subscribers, Germany, telling me about some other products he's looking at over there. I just got today there this product was ordered from Motorhome Tuning, and so you can look them up online. They're from Germany. It's Motorhome Tuning, which is WOMO Tuning. So you get for your two front doors, as you know, with the security with the vans. I did another video showing you the plates that go out on the outside of the Peugeot Boxers, Citroens, and the Fiat Ducatos on the cab. I'll show you the video with the plates. This one here is to deal with the inside. So if they do blot the hell out of your door to get in, or if you don't want to put the plates on, you can go with this product here. So this piece here, you go on the bottom of the door, you got the pocket there, put your maps or whatever on the bottom of the doors. You take out this screw with a T27, put this inside, screw it on there, and then this arena clips to it. This latches over the anchor point for the seat belts on the side of the wall of the vehicle. And you can't open the door. The door only opens like a quarter of an inch, half an inch at the most. That's it. There's no drilling to do. It's an amazing little product. Amazing. There's no drilling to do. Just take this one screw, T27 Torx, screw it back in, and that's it done. And this sits over the anchor point. Nobody can get in your vehicle when you're inside in the back of your motorhome, campervan, sleeping. Motorhome Tuning also, they sell for other products for motorhomes, for the side doors, and also for the caravans, for the sliding door. Same latch system, looks nice and tidy and clean looking. Just locks in, done. And they also do the same thing you can buy also for the back doors. Nice little system, clips in place. There's like on the back latches at the top, there's like 3 screws on each door. Undo them, put these wee plates on there, and 3 pin locks in place, and you can't open the doors open either from the outside. So I'll show you how easy and quickly this is to put it on in real time. Easy little thing to put in. This one here I got is for the Fiat Ducato, Peugeot Boxer, and a Citroen Jumper from 2006 up to present day. Alright. So I have the door one, this the driver's door already installed. Let's install this one in here. So come along here, and you see me install it. So guys, this is the box, the bottom of the door, the pocket for your maps and all. You take a screw out, T27 Torx. You go and install this piece inside there. Alright, the way you do it is, we're dropping the screw, this piece. Into here. Take a Torx. And screw it in place. Little pointer, remember, wee plate, keep it all the way up so it's touching this plastic. Just give the chain enough length. Tighten up. That's the piece there, it clips to. Now watch, happens in place. What's it doing? This bit. Like this. Clips in. Close your door. Hopefully you can see the dark. Put the chain up. That's your anchor point. Push the back of it. It is done. That's as far as the door opens. On to undo it in the morning. Like that. Put it back in there. And the door opens. And it mounts right behind there. And it just sits in that box there, out of the way. There you are. Amazing little product, easy to install, a good little invention. What do you think? And saves all the bullshit of like cutting our Ramus blinds. And what's the Ramus blinds cost? You want to put that bracket in there and you're cutting out your Ramus blinds. Well, they cost 190 quid each side for each side door, something like that. So you want to cut that where you can just undo one bolt, screw it back into place, lock it into the chain, done, easy, no mess, looks nice, clean, tidy. Like I said, it's from a company called Womo Tuning. They're in Germany, look them up. It says here www.womotuning.de. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching the little video. Like, subscribe, share. Check out a few more videos you want to. There's one about the security plates I put on the front of the cab, so you can't get in through the locks from the outside. And now you see this one. Alright guys, you all have a good day. Catch you all later.